All right, so this should be right where you left off. You have that agave Americana picture right after the text says agave Americana, and then after its botanical name, and it continues with some text about it. So we can clearly see our image when we don't give it any sort of alignment, falls right in line on a new line, continues to go through the text. Now, we want to experiment a little bit with that alignment tag. So we're actually going to jump right in and we're going to add in an alignment that is equal to the right. And what my gut instinct tells me is that picture is going to shoot over to the right-hand side here. Now, I'm not exactly sure what that's going to look like, but let's actually save our program and run it to see. So what you'll notice is that this picture does in fact go to the right with an alignment of right, which is kind of what our gut tells us is going to happen. But what you'll also notice is that that alignment tag then allows the text to wrap around the picture. So the alignment tag takes it over to the right, and it then wraps the text around the picture to the left. So that's really what's taking place. That alignment to the right, right after the text before the picture, it shoots the picture over, and then all the text that follows wraps on the left-hand side. Now, if we switch this, our gut should be telling us that it's going to do the exact opposite. And if we run it, it does. If you switch that alignment to the left and you save it, it puts the picture aligned to the left, and all of the following text falls on the right-hand side. Now, the most common question I get is, Ms. Radecki, how do I put this picture in the middle? So say I want this picture in just the middle of my document as like a header. And most students think it's the center. And if we do that and we run it, what you notice is it goes right back to the default, because align equals center is not an actual attribute. It's not actually something that we can do. It's left or right. Now, just as a side note, and I put this in our notes, if you do want to link or to align your image to the center, what you need to actually do is put it inside of paragraph tags. So if this is something you actually want to happen, you want that picture aligned to the center of your page, you don't want any text wrapped around it, the paragraph tag has an alignment that will do this for you. So if you add a paragraph tag before and after your image tag and you put align equals center, and you save it, what this will do is it will put your picture in the center just like you want it. Now notice that there's no text wrapping around it, and if you keep it inside the paragraph tags and you go right and left, what you will also notice is that the text doesn't wrap. So if you use the paragraphs alignment, there will be no wrapping with your text. If you want that wrapping with your text, it needs to be inside the image tag, but if you would like to have that sort of alignment, that is possible if you surround the image tag with paragraph tags, because alignment works differently in different tags. But let's go back and let's add in the right alignment, because I liked that look with wrapped text to the side. And now I have that text back and wrapped to the side of my document. So I think that looks nice, but you'll see we do have quite a few options. So what I'd like you to do now is you're going to update your web page with the following. So I'm actually going to stop this video and then give you time to actually put these in. But we've already added this in together. We added in that agave picture with the alternate text of agave, with the width of 212, a height of 203, an alignment to the right, and its location is right after this agave Americana text. So, well, again, what I would like you to do is add in these other 3 images. I gave you all of the attributes. I gave you access to all of their images. And then once you have them added in, make sure that everything works. Make sure your alignment is as you predicted. And then you can move on to the next video.